Hi guys, Happy New Year and Happy 2018. I am so excited to say goodbye to 2017 and I am ready for a great year and a positive year. 2017 was full of challenges and some of you who've watched my videos know we lost my father-in-law in 2017 and there were some other health issues in our family and things that just made it a challenging year. On a lighter note, challenging wise, this 2017 was the year of broken appliances at our house. Our dishwasher broke, our oven broke, our ice maker on our freezer broke, our hot water heater broke twice. There was something else in there. No, I can't remember. Something small, but still. It's just like, okay, appliances stop breaking. You know, at some point we're going to run out of appliances to break, and if they continue to break, they'll still be under warranty. So I guess there's that. So anyway, I am just ready for 2018. And if you watch Sherry B's channel, she is one of the people I do the challenges with each month. She mentioned something about doing the best of 2017, and I thought I would do that just for fun, just to start 2018 off on a positive note. So that is what we're doing today, and I wanted to share this hashtag with you all because I thought it might be fun to have sort of a community hashtag. So if you post on Instagram, I think the hashtags work other places. I know I can follow hashtags on Instagram. I don't know if I can follow hashtags on anything else. If you guys know of a way to follow hashtags anywhere other than Instagram, let me know. But if you post on Instagram, use Happy Pouring 2018, we'll kind of maybe start a community. That might be kind of fun. And I'll be posting pictures more on Instagram with that hashtag, and we all can kind of join together and have a Happy Pouring 2018 party on Instagram, and I thought that would be kind of fun. So these are all the places you can interact with me on social media, and I am going to get my social media self in check and on the ball in 2018. That's definitely one of my goals, and learning that video editing. So anyway, we will get started with my best. Okay guys, 2017, I gotta say, this is probably my absolute favorite, and unfortunately I did this one before I started my YouTube channel, so don't ask me how I did it. I don't have a clue. I don't even know what I was using at the time. I don't even know what my mix was. I don't know if I did a dirty pour, or pretty sure I used a straw, but to blow the paint around. Other than that, I really don't know, but I love this one. It's called Perspective. It's actually on my Etsy page, but it makes me smile to look at it because I think it looks like Earth from the sky. Anyway, very proud of that one. Okay, so second best of 2017. This one I did, I think, right before I started my channel, so I don't have a video of this one either. And this was actually when I was really experimenting and I didn't really know what I was doing. I did it one evening, and I was about to give up on it, although my go-to motto is go until it's completely ruined because it's mud, or until I find something I like. That's usually how I approach any painting. So this one I was about to give up on. I was getting tired, so I thought I might scrape it and just be done, when this woman appeared, and I don't know, not everybody sees it, but she's a cloaked woman. Here's her face, and then she's wearing this cloak with her arms kind of outstretched, and I don't know, as soon as I saw her, I think I added a few details in here just to kind of accentuate it, but I just stopped because she appeared and showed herself, and I just thought it was really, really neat. So I am like captivated by this cloaked woman when I see it. So it's an emotional one for me, I guess, because I see this woman and I don't know, all kinds of things in my head just kind of start, not really thinking, I guess, but, you know, emotional. It's an emotional one, I guess I should say. not thinking. But anyway, so it's Cloaked Woman. This one actually has some pigment powder that I sprinkled on just for a little detail. Like I said, I was really experimenting at the time, but I kind of like the effect on that because it's sprinkled right on top of the paint. It's not mixed in at all. I just kind of used a spoon and sprinkled it on. So that is the Cloaked Woman. And then if any of you saw the video for this next one, you won't be surprised that it's on my best of 2017 list because I'm a total geek. I mean, total Lord of the Rings geek. And this is my Lord of the Rings pour. Apologizing right up front to anybody, who has not seen the movie and doesn't know anything about Lord of the Rings, because it may sound like a whole other language. But this was inspired by the leaves of Lorien. And I did kind of 3/4 of the leaf. And then I did a gold and white background for Galadriel. And I can't see, but I did 3 stripes of gold for the hair she gave to Gimli. Sorry, that's my little door stopper there. So here's the leaf, and I plan on pretty soon, I think, doing another one with the other side of the leaf right here. With, instead of a gold and white background, a black and gray and red background for Mordor. And I may possibly do the bottom 2 parts. We'll see. I don't know. We'll see how the next one goes. But I was really, really happy with this one because I had a picture in my head of how I wanted it to look. And it came out almost exactly the way I saw it in my head. So that's why I was so excited about this. Not only because it was a Lord of the Rings pour, but because I was able to get it to look exactly the way I wanted to. And I was very, very happy about it. And if you saw my video, you could probably hear my excitement. I actually, when it was done, went and made my daughter get out of bed. And I was so excited. I showed her. She loves Lord of the Rings too. And if my husband hadn't had to work in the morning, I would have woken him up too. But anyway, so I was very excited. I'm still very excited about this one. It needs a coat of varnish, or I'd really like to do resin, but with this size, I probably need to stabilize the canvas so it doesn't sag. So there is that one, and that's my top 3, I would say, for 2017. So if you want to see anything in 2018, you have any ideas for videos or a pour or something you want me to try, something you want to see, let me know. Leave me a comment down there in the comments below. All my contact information is in the description box, so if you want to find me anywhere on social media, look there. And I'm looking forward to a great 2018. Let me know what you guys have going on in the comments. I would love to hear from you, and share those pictures on Instagram with that hashtag so we can all kind of connect and see what everybody is doing. Happy 2018, guys, and happy pouring.